Hey guys, OT Sports Cards here with 11-12 Dominion Hockey Box Break number 40. Last team was the Winnipeg Jets, ended July 13th. Serial number NE189817562. Number on the box 189817562. Okay, let's bust it. Good luck to everyone. Okay, decoy on the bottom. Decoy on top. Do a quick flip. And we're off. We got Gordie Howe, base, numbered 159 out of 199 for the Detroit Red Wings. Nice rookie auto. Andrew Shaw, numbered 116 out of 199 for the Blackhawks. Got Craig Smith, rookie patch auto, numbered 168 out of 199 for the Nashville Predators. Looks like a rubber patch. Next up, we've got a Zach Rinaldo, horizontal patch auto, numbered 18 out of 36 for the Flyers. Got a dual Pen Pals auto, numbered 30 out of 50 of Jaro Halak and Curtis Joseph for the St. Louis Blues. Nice looking patch. Tyler Myers, numbered 6 out of 10 for the Buffalo Sabres. Check out that swatch. It's pretty nice. Got Brendan Smith, Mammoth jersey, numbered 15 out of 50 for the Red Wings. And the last card, Patty Marleau, gold base, numbered 5 out of 25 for the San Jose Sharks. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.